Welcome. Today, we're going to learn how to delete a space in Gmail on your PC. Let's get right into it. First, open your web browser and go to gmail.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the Gmail homepage, look for the grid of 9 dots next to your profile photo in the upper right corner. Click on those dots, and from the drop-down menu, select Chat. This will take you to the chat interface. Next, from the left side menu, click on Spaces. You'll see a list of all the spaces you're part of. Now click on the space you want to delete. This will open that space. Once you're inside, find the space name at the top of the screen. Click on it, and a menu will appear. From this menu, select Delete. This is where you can remove the space permanently. After clicking Delete, you'll be prompted to confirm your decision. Take a moment to think it over, as deleting a space cannot be undone. If you're sure about your choice, go ahead and confirm the deletion. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a space in Gmail. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more useful tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.